Universal Selfie LED Ring Flashlight. It can be easily carried in your pockets or bag so you can enjoy using it everywhere. You will be able to make videos at night or take great selfies in dark areas. You can use it with your rear camera to have high-fidelity photos. Simple and flexible installation, easy to use. Lightweight, thin and impact-resistant. A ring-type macro flashlight designed particularly for close-up, medical, scientific, forensic photography, etc. This macro ring flash illuminates the subject, no matter how low the lighting conditions are. Using an anti-slip mat doesn't hurt your cell phone lens. No more worry about scrapping of your devices. With natural light, uniform illumination brightness, ultra-wide lighting range, so you can get natural-looking skin tones. You can also use it as torch, emergency light, making up light, LED night light and even more. This specially designed selfie light provides supplemental or side lighting for photography whenever you have low light conditions. Ring-type macro flashlight designed especially for close-ups, medical, scientific, forensic photography, etc.